How you doing? So on the menu today, we're going to make this absolutely wonderful fish curry. I'm using a fish called Rohu or Ruha, or in fact, it has lots and lots of names. It's a type of carp, very famous Bengalis really love this fish. So yeah, it's a nice, deep, beautiful fish curry. As you saw from the thumbnail, maybe I had a big whole fish, which I've cut up. Really delicious, this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've cut my fish into steaks. You can see like that, quite thick. Now I've taken the head off. I'll be using that for something different. What we're going to do here, I've got a glove on. We're going to get a generous amount of salt there. Maybe 2 or 3 teaspoons. And then heaped teaspoons. Turmeric, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to go in with my hand and I'm going to mix this around. Some people would add a little bit of water to this as well. I don't see any need. And yeah, we're going to toss this around. And ideally you want to leave this for about an hour or so. You can go straight to the cooker if you want, but I'm going to leave mine for about an hour. Then we'll get cooking. So I've got a frying pan here with a touch of oil in. You can use any oil you want. I'm using a sunflower oil, but maybe coconut oil or mustard seed oil might be nice. What we're going to do is we're going to get our fish in there. We're on a medium heat and we're going to fry these for about 6 or 7 minutes in total. And I'll be flipping them a few times. Fantastic. So you just saw the fish cooked really nicely. Let's take a look at some other ingredients. I've got 1 onion here cut nice and small, 2 regular sized tomatoes, again cut nice and small, and try and use a nice ripe tomato because we want to really kind of cook it down. I've got some cilantro or coriander there, fresh chili, green chili chopped. The amount that you put in is entirely up to you. I've got 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, some fresh curry leaves. Now, I know some of you find those hard to get. Try and get them dried if you can. They're not quite the same, but you know, they're good. And then here, the powders that we're using today. We're using 3 teaspoons of coriander, 3 teaspoons of chili. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Let's get back to the cooker. So we're back in the same pan because we've got that nice oil there, flavored with the fish and the turmeric, but I reduced the oil down by 50%. There goes in our cumin seeds. We're on a medium heat right now. There goes our fresh curry leaves. And then goes in our onion. Now, medium heat, let's cook these till they're nice kind of golden brown, about 4 to 5 minutes maybe. Fabulous, they're just turning and cooking nicely. We're now going to add that 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. It's all going to happen right now, by the way. The garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger pureed. You can buy it in jars in many stores depending on where you live, or like us, because we use so much of it, we make it ourselves. Now in goes the tomato, 2 regular sized tomatoes. We're now going to add in our fresh chili and our powders. Let's just take one more look at those. So we've got the Kashmiri chili powder, coriander, 3 teaspoons each, and then a little bit of the cumin. Salt to taste. We're going to stay on this medium heat, and we're going to go now for about 5 or 6 minutes. We want to really cook this out now. We might hopefully get some moisture from the tomatoes as they cook. So as you can see, this is really cooking down. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Stay on the medium heat. We're still going to cook for about another 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, it's really cooked down nicely, and don't skip this process, it's really important. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to raise the heat up a little bit, so now above medium, we're going to get some water in there. How much water did I put in there? 3 cups? Maybe 3 cups of water, maybe something like that. So the heat's up now. Let this go for about another 6 minutes. Okay, so this still looks quite watery, don't worry. Still got a little way to go. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm going to put a nice big pinch of garam masala powder in there. Garam masala is a really beautiful kind of finishing spice, a nice blend of many different spices in there. Next up, let's get the fish back in. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go back to a medium, because we're on just above a medium at the moment, and then we're going to cook it for about another 6 or 7 minutes, and it's going to be absolutely mind-blowing. Really, really good. So back to medium, 5 or 6 minutes. We're nearly done. Okay, off goes the heat. That's looking beautiful. See, it was watery, wasn't it? It's not any longer. It's got a lovely, nice masala there. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. I'm good. Fresh cilantro or coriander in the mix. Beautiful. Got yourself a nice little fish curry there. Okay, and there you go. You got yourself a nice fish curry, cooked. Beautiful. You can use a different type of fish if you want. This is more of a carp, you know, this roux or ruha, what they call it, has many names. But yeah, fantastic. Hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you soon. Please keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.